It's Fresh Cash Friday this morning, day trading live, making one trade, trying to get some other trades in, but just not getting the opportunity that I was looking for. And I'm trying to play it smart here, trying to be patient. You're going to see from now on, for most of my videos, hopefully all of my videos, you're going to see me exercising extreme patience and control. No more FOMO. No more FOMO, Patrick. It's only going to be quality entries. Quality entries. So check out what went down live in this video. What's going on, guys? It's Friday morning. I'm heading to Vegas tomorrow. Do me one big favor. Help me out here. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. What stocks are you trading today? What stocks were hot in your eyes? And what stocks did you make money on? I want to hear it. I want to know what you guys are doing. So leave a comment, hit the like button, and let's get into it. NLNK down big on the day right now because of bad news. You can see it's down from the 738 area down there to 450 right now. Bounce off this 420 area. So I'm looking for a little bit of an opportunity here to possibly go long if this thing looks like it has the power to kind of regain some of this. Maybe back up to the $5 area. We'll see if we get it here. I'm going to jump in here on NLNK at 450, see if we get a pop back up above this 450 area here at open. There we go. Big buyer there at 455. Looking for this break possibly up there to the 475 area. There we go. So we get filled here at 465. There we go. 465 getting filled there. Beautiful. Nice little pop there. Looking here at NETE. See if this thing breaks over 950 and then look for a little bit of a pullback back down there to the 930s for an entry opportunity there. LFIN up to that $25 area, pulling back down there to $23 now. This thing's been all over the place, not touching it. I ain't about that life. I ain't about that life. NIHD moving up here, up there to the 260s. Oh, look at NETE. Look at that. Waiting for that 950 break was key here. Look at it down there to 870 now. So big drop from 945 down there to 870. Good thing to chase that one. Stayed away from it. And then looks like NLNK up to 488 high now. Pulling back down there, 465 area. NIHD, what's it doing here? Look at the daily chart. Looking here at OGEN for that break over $3. Got 800,000 shares traded. Looking at the daily chart here, where that next resistance is going to be at. Looks like we have some resistance there at the 340 area. See if we break over $3, get a little bit of a pullback. OGEN pulling back down there after touching that $3 area. The 250 area support holding up there. Nice. OGEN bounced off at 250 area. So NLNK up there to 488, pulling back down there to 450 to where my original entry was. So I don't feel too bad about this thing just going to the moon. You can see it had a nice little pop there at open. First 3 or 4 minute candles going up there to 488, now pulling back down there to 450. After this thing had such bad news and being down so much, I wasn't really sure that we were going to get an amazing move out of this, but I was thinking we might get at least, 475 area, kind of just testing this pre-market spike there. 475 area, get a quick little 15-20 cent pop, which we did, and that's exactly what we were going for. So there's OGEN going for that $3 break here. I had my finger on the trigger to jump in there on OGEN there at the 255 area. Really should have just jumped in there. I was watching it, holding that 250 area. You can see the 9 EMA there on the 1 minute chart. Tap, tap, tapping $3. Looks like it's going to break right there. No, it's going, trying right there, breaking. There it is, over $3. Beautiful. Trying to jump in here on OGEN there at the 280 area. For that, so you had this first wave there out of open. You had this first rush of buying pressure. Had this nice little pullback, nice little pullback down there to the 260, 250 area. That 255 dip buy would have been the call there. And now you can see above $3, up there to 310, pulling back down there to 275. Trying to get filled there on that dip there at 280, just not getting filled. OGEN having trouble there at the 310 area. Getting stuck there, 311, getting stuck, boom, boom. So not sure I want to buy the dip right here. Like I said, I think this was the opportunity here. Buying the dip, 255 area. Should have just pulled the trigger there. Should have just pulled the trigger there. Just being a little hesitant. And that's what happens. Hesitation. Taking me out. That would have been a nice 50-cent move there. Such is life. Such is life. I'm going to live to fight another day. Sometimes it's not always about the trades you did take, but sometimes it's about the trades you didn't take. You can see NEET up there, the 950 area. Look how this got stuck there. This was not really an opportunity to dip buy here. Because look, if you'd have bought the dip here, you know, $9, look at it down there to $8.30. So sometimes buying the dip doesn't always work out. You got to be careful. I think the hardest thing now is after seeing those two dip buys. I think the hardest thing now, after seeing those two dip buys that I identified and were looking to enter, seeing those work out, that's like two trades that I could have taken. If I attempt a third possible dip buy, that's 3 chances now. I'm pushing my luck. So OGEN, like I said, the first real dip buy there at 255 would have been beautiful. That's what I should have done. Getting overextended there at the $3 area, pulling back down there, hitting the 9 EMA, that would have been my entry. Boom, boom, jump in there and get this ride back up there to test $3, which it did beautifully. If I really wanted to play it one more time, you know, I could have just looked at it like, okay, it's extended again, broke above $3, looking like it wants to go. It pulled back down here to the 280 area, hitting that 9 EMA again. I could have told myself, you know, that was my entry again. I could have jumped in there. So 2 times, 2 entries that I could have jumped in on. I tried to jump in on, just wasn't confident enough to pull the trigger and just didn't do it. After those 2 tries, it's like, okay, I'm probably pushing my luck here. It's having trouble there at 311. I need to know that. I need to identify that. And I need to walk away and not try to chase this or force this trade. Because look at it now. Buying the dip there, trying to buy the dip there for the 3rd time would have been a loss for me. And that's not what we want to happen. So you can see OGEN getting up there at 311, getting stuck, pulling down there at 270. LFIN above $25 now, up there to $25.90 now. Ooh, I wouldn't touch this thing. I'm gonna walk away today with my $150. I've actually got to go get my hair cut. I got to go get some new outfits for Vegas. I got a big trade show in Vegas on Monday and Tuesday. I'll be working in the DJI booth. If you're in Vegas, come stop by the DJI booth at NAB. I'll be there. But I'm heading out to Vegas on Saturday, doing some drone action, doing some talking, hanging out with people, and just doing what I do. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit this subscribe button. Boom!